Ed turned this thing on less than an hour ago, and people are already connecting with him from a LinkedIn group that he's been trying to crack for years. Let me show you what just happened. Here's how it works. In this video, I'm going to show you something called the LinkedIn Lead Miner. This is a brand new tool that may totally change how you run your LinkedIn game. All you have to do is find a LinkedIn post with the right commenters, or a LinkedIn group that makes sense, or even people that have liked a LinkedIn post of your choice. Just grab that particular link, put it in the system, and it does everything else. But the best part about all of this is if you have the LinkedIn Lead Miner tool that I'm talking about, that Jacob's about to show you this full walkthrough, it's magic, and you can turn it on to any of these things and you can move forward in the right direction.
Once again, you do need the extension on, and we're going to go into our queue page. So that's going to be on the left bar here, and we're going to go into queue. Now this is where we're going to find the automated import sections. We're calling it lead miner as like a fancier term. And in each of the profiles that you're logged into, that's where you're going to find that section. So today I'm going to focus on LinkedIn, but we have a new section called automated imports. So this is where we can add the import for search. This is a search that I'm looking for VPs of sales in North America. And every Monday to Friday, I've put this search in through LinkedIn Sales Nav. It's going to give me about 100 new profiles. So that's one thing to note. It's going to skip over profiles that are already in your system and search for 100 new profiles. I'm doing it every day. Now, first thing, before we set up the search, you do need a search in LinkedIn that we can copy paste the URL into our automated search. So with normal LinkedIn, for the search, you would just use this search bar at the top here. A fun one is roofers, and we're going to go look for owners of roofers. So I'm going to go into people here once I type the search. And then we have a couple of filter sets that we can play around with. So to pop open all the filter sets on normal search, you can click that button. And then we're going to have some filters. So we'd like to go second and third. First degree connections you're already connected with. So if that's a campaign you want to do, we can definitely do that. Generally, if we're doing outbound, we're going to do second and third. And then location, let's just say I want everybody in the United States. If I keep scrolling here, we have industries. So roofers, a lot of times construction. And then here we have keywords. So I can put title under owner under the title keyword and show results. So now we have what would be considered a search that we can put into FlowChat to automatically import these leads on a daily basis. So you don't have to come in here and click the start auto scroll and keep checking. All we have to do is grab this URL, and then we go back into FlowChat. We now click add automated import. So you click this button here, and then as you see, we have 4 options. For today, we're going to do import from search results. And once you have that in place, we can now paste the URL in the search result LinkedIn or Sales Nav bar. So I would copy paste it, Control V. I can also just right click and paste. And we can call it. So this would be owners of roofing companies in the US. We can look at the time as well of when we want to run this. So we can do it daily, work days only, custom based off of what you want. Keep in mind, there's still a limit on how many connections we can send, which is LinkedIn's limit, which is 200 per week. So as long as you have imported 200 per week of new qualified leads, then you'll be good to send them out. So that's kind of the number we want to keep in our head. So if we have 50 a day that are importing on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we now have that 200, and that will keep ahead of even 40 per day. So we'll get a little bit ahead of what we want. We can also add keywords. For example, if we wanted CEO, owner, so your decision makers, you can really have any keyword in here. Now, the last thing you're going to want to select is the pipeline that we want to bring these leads into every day. So if you have a LinkedIn pipeline, we would select that, and then we would select the stage, which generally on LinkedIn is going to be the qualified prospects. So we're filtering for keywords. We did that search, and then we can save the schedule. So once you save it, it's now going to pop up under your automated imports. So we can see it here now. This is my second search. The really cool part is you can have as many searches as you want. You can now set up those different searches and have it go into different pipelines and then send the specific message and have that running automatically in the background. So that is how we set up the automated import for LinkedIn search. LinkedIn Sales Nav, the exact same thing. You would just have your Sales Nav search. I have one already. So you would put all your criterias, and then from there, you have your URL. So once a search is set up, you're comfortable. Like I have 210,000 results here, and I can just go through that systematically. I don't have to keep coming back here every week or every month. I just set it up once, and it's going to go through all of those and bring in the qualified ones. So we grab that, and same thing, automated import, come in here, drop the URL, and do your due diligence on when you want it to import.
So just in what Jacob shared with you, that's exactly how you set it up. It's really fast, super easy. And look, we built this thing because we were sick and tired of people like you taking too long to do something that you don't need to be taking that long doing. This is your shortcut. So let me show you exactly what actually happens once the lead miner function turns on and moves forward. What you're looking at here is what we call a pipeline. A pipeline is the place where all these leads are going to filter into after they're collected from the lead miner. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cruise over to the account queue over here, and we're going to make sure that we have the auto setting that Jacob just walked through as a setup. So I click here on LinkedIn, I cruise down, and I look for automated imports here. I've got import from search results for sales pros. In this case, this is who I'm looking for. This thing's going to run every day at 7:05 in the morning. Well, I want to test it, okay? So again, all I'm going to do is hit run now. And what you can see is this automation is popping open. Now, if you have automations running in the background, you won't even see it. But I just want to share kind of what happens here. It's going to go directly to that page. There it is on the page. And it's going to start to automatically import people right into the system. And there you go. 5 leads were imported from the search results. I'm going to hit close window. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my pipeline here. And all I have to do is hit refresh. Boom. Look at that, we got those 5 leads in there. And if I have my other automations turned on, this is automatically going to start sending connection requests and so on and so forth. And here's what happens next. In the description box below, you'll find a link. It'll take you to a page that has a write-up about this special offer that we've created. It's something that only you can get right now from this particular video. So jump down, check the description box, click the link, and we'll see you on the inside.